this quickly. Okay. All right, now. This is take two. I did this before, and I made the mistake that gives students fits with this kind of problem. And this is the mistake I made. Okay? You see this? This is incorrect. You have to make sure that you have the negative sign there. If you don't have that negative sign, you're going to get an answer which is far less than what it should be, and I'll explain that to you when I finish the problem. Okay? Easy?
Yep.
Okay, so let's do it. We have all the data, right? We already went through this. We kind of did a practice before we turned it on, okay? So we'll plug in. I'm going to leave off all the unit labels, and we're just going to put in the numbers and crunch them out, okay? All right, now. So this is metal side, water side. So 0.5, and this will be final, which we don't know, and then initial, which is metal, is 100. And then this is 903. Let me explain what we're doing, maybe. Maybe I didn't explain that. I'm kind of like jumping at this. This is a problem where I take aluminum, and I'm going to boil it to 100 degrees. Why boil it? Because if I wanted to run the experiment again, I can get the same temperature. I can make it reproducible. So I'm going to boil a certain mass of aluminum in water. So I'm going to boil it, correct? And I'm going to put it in water with an initial temperature of 20 degrees Celsius, correct? Now, the temperature of the water will increase, correct? And the final temperature of the water will be the same as the final temperature of the metal. Easy? All right, now. We want to calculate the final temperature. So we're going to plug in all the data with the exception of final temperature, and then we'll calculate final temperature, and then I'll explain what the answer means. Okay? So this is going to be 2 TF minus TI is 20, and that'll be 4180. Okay? This is going to be 451.5 TF minus 100 equals, don't forget the negative sign here. Let me put that in a different color. Okay? So this will be 8360, correct?
Yep.
Yeah. TF minus 20. All right? So 451.5 times TF is 451.5. 451.5 minus 45150. Easy? You get that?
Yeah.
Okay. This will be negative 8360. But times this is negative, so this will become positive.
Yep.
Right?
Yes.
Yeah.
So that'll be positive what? What's 8360 times 20?
167,200.
Okay. Easy?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. This is going to be
You forgot the TF.
TF.
Yeah.
Forgot to put it in a TF there. Okay, good. All right, now. And
That we had to subtract.
I forgot the TFs both, right?
Yeah.
So add 8360 to both sides.
Add.
Yeah. 8360 TF. Add that to 4515 TF. I'm going to add this plus this. What's that going to be? 451.5 plus,
8811.
what is it? No,
8, yes.
that's got to be greater than the 8. 3. You're
I
saying
said
it's,
8811.
oh, 8, sorry. 8811.5.
Yeah. 0.5. Yeah.
And then you want to add 45150 to both sides. What do you got? So 167,200 plus 45150. What do you got?
I got 212,350.
212,350. And then remember, this is TF over here, right? Keep forgetting that little pesky TF, right? Okay, so divide through. 212,350 divided by 8811.5. What do you got?
25.
25?
Yes.
Yeah? Is that coming across? Let me just check to see if you can see that. Just.
Well, you can actually switch it to just 24.
Yeah.
Just 24?
Yeah,
because it's
24.01.
24.01,
Yeah.
so 24.
Just say 24.
Okay, is that all right? 24? Kind of rushed that. It's a little complicated. But it's really all algebra, really, isn't it?
Yeah.
You just got to remember that negative.